Okay, so before we get started on Ethereum and really messing with different dApps or decentralized applications, let's kind of touch base on what a dApp or decentralized application actually is. And I wrote this down to help you guys. And if you look in the description of the video, you can find the link to this little note document that I made, and also I'll put links to the different websites that are mentioned in it. So we're going to go over what decentralized applications are and how to interact with them. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaMask on your web browser. So MetaMask is a way to interact with these dApps. So kind of just bear with me. So what are dApps? They are applications that run on a distributed computing system or a blockchain. So a Dapp is an app that runs on a distributed computing system. The difference from these applications and normal centralized applications like Facebook is that these other applications run on a centralized server. When you interact with an application that is running on a central server, that means that the one party in control of the central server can control what you can and cannot do. As a user, you always interact with a web UI or a GUI, graphical user interface, when you interact with a website or application. You are interacting with software that then interacts with the server. When interacting with the central server, all data is stored in a centralized server. So one central party can censor your data, control your data, steal your data, or sell your data. They can even change your data. In a decentralized application, it is not possible for one central party to do any of those things. You are the owner of your own data. So a decentralized application means that the data is not stored in one place, it is completely distributed. This being said, a Dapp is not always an application that everything runs on a distributed network. There are many different structures of dApps. A good website to get an overview of the Dapp ecosystem is Dapp Radar and also State of the Dapp. And I will leave the link to both those websites in the description of the video. There are many different blockchains the dApps run on currently. There are a variety of different apps ranging from games to exchanges to DeFi platforms to casinos and much, much more. I'll show you an example of how to use some of these decentralized applications in a later video. So I hope this kind of gives you an understanding of what a decentralized application is. And next video, I'll show you how you can start interacting with these decentralized applications by installing MetaMask. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and I hope you're getting interested in blockchain and decentralized finance and centralized applications and all the possibilities that really exist within the sphere. And I'll see you soon.